Hey guys, Dan here from VHIX 411. Today in front of me I have a 2018 Toyota Prius with a maintenance required light on. I will show you what I'm talking about. If you start your vehicle and this maintenance required visit your dealer light comes on, it's a simple reset. It's just an oil reminder. It reminds you of your next oil change. So the buttons I'll be using are the ones on the right side. It's this up, down, side, and the 0. You might need to use this if you get in a menu where you don't belong. So for starters, obviously we will use this to clear this maintenance. So I'll be pushing the buttons and you'll see on the screen where I'm going. So I'll push the back button. I'm in my main screen. I will scroll to the right until I see those little gears. I'll click on those, and of course I'll just do down. I'll scroll down until you get the very last menu which says vehicle setting. I will click the 0, and then you see maintenance system. I will click that again, and we got an option, TPMS or oil maintenance. We already changed our oil and we want to reset that one, so I scroll down to oil maintenance. I will click 0, and then it says reset, yes or no. Well, of course we want to reset. That's the whole point of this video. We'll click yes and then push 0. Reset is complete. Now you can just click back and go back to your main menu. And now if we shut off the car and then we will restart the car, this light shouldn't pop up, which obviously we don't have no more maintenance required light on. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.